shirts with words on them? Well, first of all, those shirts with the words, I mean, how can you not look at them? They're so attractive, like, you just want to read the words. And then when they see you reading the words on their shirts, they get all offensive, like, bitch, don't read my shirt. You know what's so stupid? What? How? They always say, don't read my shirt. Well, it's not like yours, right? It's just all glittery and sparkly, and it attracts your eyes. And then it makes you want to read it. And then when you do read it, they get all pissed off. But you know what? They buy those shirts so that guys will look there. And you know what? Most of the girls that I see that have those shirts don't have anything up here, which means they want to feel special, so they buy those types of shirts. So girls will do that. Do not worry, we are not sexist or anything. We are just telling the truth. Why would girls want to buy shirts with these huge words right up here when they don't have anything? You know what? It's because guys will look, and they know guys will look, so they feel special about that. But you know what? He is acting very retarded. This is all for now. See you in the next video. Bye! No, we're not gay! And no offense to those girls who actually like wearing those shirts, because I know some girls find that as a cool style, but, you know, us guys seem to find sparkly words kind of attractive to our eyes, so we will read them. So don't get mad at us for being horny, perverted perverts.